The part about understanding it, I could mostly understand the concepts. Yeah, but the difficult part was somehow I couldn't really get past the C6 grade because I remember my first exam for chemistry I failed. And then after that, I was just passing all along. Yeah, and then another difficult part was I feel that the information in chemistry was like everywhere. So I feel I was always lacking some concepts here and there. So that made it difficult for me. By the end of Sec 3, I was still like not improving at all. Yeah, so that's why I started to look for help in the future. I think firstly is the notes helped me a lot because in school I'm always like quite busy, so that helped me to cut the workload, especially because the teachers don't give notes, so that helped me a lot. And then so when he goes through new chapters, he would use his own notes, and then he wouldn't really just like flash the notes, so he would actually go through the details in detail. He would try to explain it clearly to us so we understand more. Yeah, because when we understand, we usually like understand. When we understand it better, we can also use the information better and apply it for that. And also it helps us to like remember it better. Yeah, and I think he also encourages us to use like colors, so as I remember better. He also asks us to use acronyms sometimes, so that also helps me to learn chemistry better. For the metal reactivity series, I think he taught us the acronym to memorize how the metals are arranged. So I think those are. Please stop calling me a cute zebra. Instead, tell Laura how copper strengthens go. So yeah, that's one of them. Mr. Trump emphasized it a bit more. I memorized a bit less. Especially because I understand the concepts better. Yeah, because the way he teaches is also different. You always, like, I think almost every lesson you always say revise your basic concepts, which I don't think was important now. But I think because of that, I revised it. So that helped me in my A-level. Because one of them was about element compound mixture. Yeah. I mean, the electrochem, if I don't have, when Mr. didn't teach me, I don't know how I learn it. But because most of that, I didn't really recognize anything. Because, I mean, even my school says one, the others not good. But then I think it's okay lah. It's manageable. I think it's the only one I know, and I think I have benefited, so I'll say yes. Yeah, so again it's the notes that have helped me. I think it would help others to like really understand it better because everything is concise. Yeah, and then the way he teaches is he would go through it like in detail, he'll explain it, help us understand it. Yeah, but as compared to school, they'll just show slides only, so they really help. So but when he explains it will be clearer for us. I mean, because he has the Telegram, I have his Telegram number, so it really helps me because I think he said I asked him a lot of questions, which I do . So it really helped me to keep clarifying all my queries. Yeah. So because anytime I could use Telegram and then ask him a question.